The style started in Malaysia in 1988. Then Lo saw a video on the style and formed his own troupe in 2003.
The Malaysian drumming style basically consists of a maximum 24 people playing the drums at the same time, and is actually incorporated with the martial arts sometimes and some dance move.
Some drummers joined after seeing the troupe perform at Culture Night.
As a group, it's very diverse. Lots of international students from all over the world, from different kind of departments. It's very interesting to meet all those people. And the practice itself is not so easy. It's actually pretty hard.
Especially when they can't always use their drums. Their drums are stored here at Bennett Memorial Chapel. Too awkward to move often, too loud to play here every practice. The troupe settles for only some practices with their actual drums. Other practices are held at Coben Center. Despite this hurdle, Lo hopes to give more out-of-state performances. New players are welcome.
Anyone who have no music background, but if they're passionate enough and they're willing to spend time and learn, they can be a 24/7 drummers.
Lo can be contacted through the International Student Organization. Hiroki Hasegawa, SJB News.